Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Anna. You know what, guys, I just realized that I didn't share the mini album that I made for the matchbook box that I had received in my design team kit. I know I showed you guys the box itself and the window in the front. I know I shared the box, but I did not share the mini album that I made to go inside the box. It's still a tight fit, guys. So I made a little mini album for inside the box, and you guys have already seen the box itself. So here is the little mini album I made, and this was gosh, I don't know how long ago, not real too terribly long, but I made the mini album to go inside the box, and this is the side. Remember, I couldn't embellish too much because it, you know, I have a limited amount of space, but I thought it turned out really good. This size is 5 by 4, and I cut this little piece out of the paper collection, and I cut this piece out, and I put some glossy accents on the little pot and on the bird, and I put some stickles on this flower, and I fussy cut some butterflies, and I popped them up just a little bit on some foam, as well as this little memories cut out, and I put some, again, glossy accents on the butterfly, and I put glossy accents on the windows of the building here, of this apartment building or whatever it is, of this home. I thought that turned out really cute. I love this paper. And then I did cut this edge out from the cut apart page, had a border, had some borders on there, so I cut that one out and just put it here on the side. And I didn't do anything to the back other than put the rest of this paper on there. And then I open it up, and it's really simple. Like I said, I couldn't put too much on there, and I believe I used the whole paper pad because I had to piece some of this together. So I did put picture mats in there, and each page has a little picture mat, and there is another one, and all the mats have a little piece of the paper. And here is the other one, and on this one, no, I don't think I put any flaps on any of them because I needed it to be nice and flat. But there is the next page, the next one, and then the last page. I thought it came out pretty cute. I liked it. So this is how the little mini album turned out, and it fits in here nicely. There we go. And close it up. And you can still see part of it from the top of the box. I thought that turned out pretty cute. I really enjoyed making this project. I love the way it turned out. And yeah, there we go, guys. Thank you so much. I just wanted to make sure that I showed you the end result on this project that I started with you guys. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I will talk to everyone later. Have a wonderful day, guys. Thanks a lot.